Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly. Removal. Caution. Use care when disconnecting the wireless LAN antenna cables from the wireless LAN module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Carefully disconnect the wireless LAN antenna cables from the wireless LAN module by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle nose pliers or tweezers. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless LAN module to the display cover and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the wireless LAN module by the edges and pull gently to remove it from the slot on the system board. Reverse this procedure to install the wireless LAN module. Important: when installing the wireless LAN module, be sure to align the notch in the wireless LAN module with the key in the wireless LAN module slot in the system board.